Do you have amazing career opportunities at your dealership, yet still struggle to find the right candidates to fill those roles? I'm Dave Druzynski, Vice President of People and Culture at DealerSocket. I'm here today to tell you that if you want to win the war for talent, you need to ditch those outdated job descriptions and come up with a more compelling job advertisement. For starters, most job descriptions are not even appealing to top talent because all it describes is what's in it for the dealership. But top talent doesn't care what's in it for the dealership. They want to know what's in it for them. So what you need to do is start with why. Why would a top candidate want to work for your dealership in the first place? What I mean is, what are you offering them that no other job they've applied for offers? This could be your dealership culture, career growth opportunities, or even the work that your dealership does in the community. Whatever it is, once you've established the why, you can translate that into a unique employee value proposition that will be highlighted in every single one of your job advertisements and inspire the best candidates to apply. Visit my workshop at NADA 2021, where we will define the key differences between a job description and a job advertisement. We'll also identify the real reasons that candidates choose to work at one dealership over another. We will apply Simon Sinek's golden circle technique to establish your employment brand why. And finally, I will explain how to generate compelling job advertisements that highlight the employee value proposition so that you can attract the best candidates because you started with why.